Why does fun matter in teaching? Because it's the secret sauce that makes learning unforgettable. Fun isn't just a bonus, it's a powerful tool that transforms the way kids learn, grow, and show up in the world. It boosts motivation. When learning is fun, kids don't just participate, they want to be there. They walk into the classroom buzzing with energy, ready to explore, ask questions, and dive into new experiences. Fun creates anticipation. It turns school into something they look forward to. And when kids are motivated, they try harder, stick with challenges, and celebrate every small why. It enhances memory. Think about your own favorite memory from school. Chances are it was tied to something fun. Games, hands-on activities, movement, music, these experiences stick. That's because joy lights up the brain. When kids are engaged, they form stronger connections to the content and they hold on to that knowledge longer. It builds confidence. Fun creates a safe space. It tells kids it's okay to try, to fail, to laugh, and to try again. In a joyful environment, kids feel seen and supported. They speak up more, they take risks, they discover what they're capable of. And that builds confidence, the kind that stays with them beyond the classroom. It improves focus. Let's face it, traditional lectures and worksheets often lose kids' attention. But fun sparks curiosity. It pulls them in with color, music, movement, and moments of surprise. When kids are truly engaged, their focus naturally deepens, and so does their learning. It's not about creating chaos, it's about creating connection. Meaningful, joyful moments that keep their minds right where they need to be in the moment and in the learning. It inspires lifelong learning. The goal isn't just to help kids pass a test. It's to spark a love for a learning that lasts a lifetime. When learning feels like magic, when it's playful, creative, and full of wonder, kids stay curious. They explore, they ask questions, they grow into adults who never stop learning. This is called joyful learning, and it's changing everything. Because when we lead with joy, we light the way for the learners of tomorrow.